What is it, Josie?
Yeah.
You want to feed some more? You want to give him some more?
Okay.
Okay, reach your hand in there. Grab some. And now give it to him. Oh. They're getting impatient. There, now throw some. Yeah, there you go. Now don't go in the water. There's water right there. Here, you want to give him some more food? Now don't get in the water.
Come on,